Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Accenture interview results. What about the next slots exam? Is 21st August 2023 is the new exam date? Because some of the candidates DM me on Telegram that they got the update that is related to the examination. So in this video we will discuss about all the important point and how to check interview or task related status. So in this video we will discuss about all the important points. Let's start the video. One of the most important point, if you received the any of the mail that is related to examination, so please mention in the comment section. Okay, most probably I talked to so many candidates and they mentioned that they still not received any of the exam mail on notification from the Accenture team. Okay, most probably I think 2024 on campus hiring is ongoing, so I think the 21st August 2023 examination is for 2024 batch on campus student. Okay, because in the in the on campus Accenture is currently focusing on 2024. Okay, so if you received the exam mail, so please mention that yes you received, otherwise you can mention not mail received. Okay, or no mail received. So basically one of the most important point that is very important, that what about the interview result? All of your task is approved when you will receive your offer letter. Okay, so why is there is a delay in my date of joining, or why I have not received my welcome mail? So Accenture team officially mention all the queries answer on the support platform. Okay, so they just mention our hiring process will conducted virtually within 12 days from the time of assessment to final selection. Based on overall performance, the result will be announced by day 12. One of the most important point that I have to mention, that candidate is waiting from 1st July. Okay, so if you completed your interview on 1st July and still today is 8th August, so already 1 month is completed. So 12 days is the particular, just like a one timeline from the Accenture team. Okay, so it is just a timeline. It is not confirmed that you will got the result in the 12 days itself. Okay, because candidates are waiting from 1st July itself. अगर मैं गलत बोल रहा हूँ तो आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइएगा. Because candidates completed the interview on the 1st July and still they are waiting for the particular interview result. Okay, so I have to mention that if your performance is good, they will share you the update. Okay, so if your task is, all the task is approved, like this is related to that, my all tasks are approved when I will receive my offer letter. As per our record, your documentation and candidature are undergoing the validation process, after which offer letter will be released based on business demand. You will be soon notified of next step in the process. Okay, they also mention that what about the joining and the onboarding. So they mention onboarding is planned as per business requirement. So I have to mention that. Okay, so the Accenture timelines is ongoing. Basically they completed the first phase examination and in the upcoming days definitely they will move forward to the next phase exam according to the demands. ओके, ये सारी चीज़ें जो है, जितनी भी सारी चीज़ें चल रही है, ये सारी चीज़ें चल रही है डिमांड्स के बेसिस पे. ओके, इफ़ देयर इज़ लॉट ऑफ डिमांड्स एंड लॉट ऑफ बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट्स, definitely they will conduct the next exam as well as they will share the interview results with the candidate. Okay, so मैं आप सभी को यही बताना चाहता हूँ. एंड वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट कि अभी तक ये 23 एंड 22 बैच के कैंडिडेट्स को ऐसा कोई भी मेल देखने को नहीं आया है. अगर आपके पास कोई ऐसा अपडेट आया है, सो प्लीज़ लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. हमें सबकी हेल्प करनी है जिससे हमें पता चले कि क्या कोई हमारे पास एक्चुअल में अपडेट आया है. एसेंशियर के पेज पे जाके आप सारी क्वेरीज के बारे में पता कर सकते हैं। एंड हाउ टू चेक इंटरव्यू टास्क स्टेटस, आप यहाँ पर एसेंशियर टीम के साथ लाइव चैट कर सकते हैं और आप ये भी बता सकते हैं कि आपका इंटरव्यू कब हुआ था। सो डेफिनेटली वो आपको आपके स्टेटस के बारे में बता देंगे। बट मैं ये मानता हूँ कि इफ़ योर परफॉर्मेंस इज़ गुड, you can wait for the particular mail from the Accenture team. Like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.